Don't you think the demonization of Eze-Ana over the years has robbed the Igbos of their true cultural identity?
Yes, thank you. Because of long years of giving bad image to Igbo spirituality, because and they no thanks to Nollywood. Yes, that is one of the reasons why I decided to join as a director and a producer, movie producer. Because my intention actually is to correct some impressions. Last time we had meeting, I suggested some certain things that some directors quietly agree with me that truly some of the scripts and what that happened in the Igbo movies are not actually portraying in Igbo movies in a like good light. So we are trying to correct those negative impression created by Nollywood. Nollywood created negative impression, and people believe that there is something like Ogbuefi, and people believe so many things. You know, during that one we are growing up, we normally do like kind of saraka. Si nwatakịrị wụ dada nne na nna ya kpọọ eme saraka kpụọ ya isi ụmụazị ogbe agbakọ rie nri mana kịta ị na-emegoro saraka kpọọ ndị ma people will not come. So people are living in fear. Some of those things they are believing are not even existing, but sometimes because of what they saw in the Nollywood movies. So a lot of bad image has been created, but behold, by the grace of Chukwu, we are trying to recreate the right concept, telling people that Igbo spirituality is not bad. If anybody is doing bad, the person is naturally evil. Not that Igbo spirituality sent the person. So those people that are bad, you will still see them in every religion. They are naturally bad people. Tell me anywhere in Nswan Igbo that encourage you to go and kill a person. And Igbo na asụ ọbara ịkwafu ọbara mmadụ sị gị jee kwa aka ọbara ọ Igbo gwara gị ewu na mmadụ ibe gị anyụ. Don't have envy or jealous because of what happened to somebody or what anybody has, because all that ekwuru na anya ukwu a ga-eme gị ife nwunye mmadụ ọgụba gị, while they can sometimes have your own. So all those things we ndị Igbo forbid Igbo spirituality. So, but ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ abego long years of giving Igbo spirituality bad names, with even some of the certain things that are not even real, and people are believing it. Like example, na ị na-eme agba nkwụ nwaanyị, ọtụtụ ndị mmadụ na-ewere mmanya agbatara gafọ because ha che na-enwere ike iti poison na that mmanya. I can tell you, ọ bụrụ na mmadụ nwere power, cheta na mmanya a na-agbanye nwaanyị ka o jee binye die akọvara ya akọva, and onye agbapụtara onye ụmụnna agbapụtara na galọn ga-ebu ụzọ gbara nwụọ. Yọtara so onwe poison o tiri o egbugo onye nwa. So ọ bụgo na ngwa believe na mgbe ahụ nke nwaanyị bụ cover ya na mmadụ send the poison n'ime, ọ niile believe na those send the poison. Maka ọ na Nollywood ga na-eje create something like that pure and manipulate ihe abanye na mmanya, mana real life ọ dị eme. Ọ wụ na believe na mmadụ nwere ike ise ndị ọgwụ n'ime mmanya a akọvara akọva. Mmadụ onye ahụ nwere ime a na-ebelive na mmadụ nwere ike ịnọ ebe ị nọ point ọgwụ banye n'ime afọ gị, mana those things a na-eme eriziri ihe ahụ movie concept. So I believe with time people will be able to understand it, but and also understand that it's not going to be easy. Thank you.